Hi all, this is Ankush Bhatt and I welcome you to the short demo in which we'll see about the usages of module in test cases. That means the particular module is used in how many test cases and at what location. So let's switch to Tosca to demonstrate this. Say for example, we have one module which is of order view. So I just want to check through this module that where has it been used, in which test case it is used, and how many times it has been used in a particular test case. So I'll simply right click on this module and I'll go to this symbol of search of this search, and which is search all, and I'll just click on this drop down. In the drop down I'll see the usages, so I just need to click on it. So what it will do, Tosca will automatically write an SQL query which will just tell that where this particular module has been used. So we can see that this particular module has been used 5 times somewhere. So if I double click on first one, I can see that it has been used in this search order test case. Similarly, if we double click on delete order, I can see it's used in delete order. Similarly, all the others, they have been used here somewhere in these test cases, order view testing test case. So this is the high level idea that how we can see the usage of a particular module in test case, where it has been used and how many times it has been used in a particular test case. So this is all about how we can see the usage of modules in test case. Thank you.
Are you new to using Tricentis Tosca? We've got the perfect course to get you started automating your own test cases and bringing you up to speed. Automation Specialist Level 1 is a 3-day online course where you'll learn the basics of automation using Tricentis Tosca, including how to create and automate your own test cases, ensuring stability and lowering maintenance. Once you have completed the course, you will be a certified automation specialist. For more information on our core trainings and special topic trainings, visit tricentis.com/academy.